بونجور، اليوم معي دكتورة هانيا خبيرة البشرة وكمان hair restoration surgeon بكلينيكا جويل. Hi دكتورة هانيا, how are you?
Hi Joel, how are you? Thank you.
I'm good, thank you. I want to ask you about hair transplant and if you transplant hair today for men or women, will this hair live forever or is there a lifetime for this hair and should the surgery be repeated again?
The question is very easy. The result,
For you, everything is easy.
the result,
Everything, you have the answer to everything.
the result is forever.
Okay.
But if the hair transplant surgeon or the therapist is taking the right hair, okay, and that is very important for the patient to know the hairline. So if I do a hairline for a patient who is, for example, 20 or 25, and he wants to have the hairline extremely low, so I have to inform him, this line will be for you forever. If you are 40, maybe at the age of 40 you want a little bit more character, right?
Yes.
You want to have a little bit.
I didn't think about that. I've never thought about that.
That is for me as surgeon, you know, we try to be an artist as well.
Of course.
So that is why the hair line is the most important thing, because this hair will be forever.
You're right. I never thought about that ever. And you are right also, if the hairline is too low, it's going to look too immature on a man who's a little bit mature.
And especially because we are aging, we are producing a little bit line, right? So that means we will have a little bit shorter of the forehead. And if the hairline is lower, we will look, you know, not
aggressive.
Open mind. Yes.
So the hair lives forever on men and women?
Men, for sure. For women, it's a little bit difficult. It depends on the back sides. If the hair is normally, it will grow and it will be forever. But if the patient has very frequently hair loss, it may happen that this hair will get a little bit thinner by time.
When it comes to hair transplant, I feel like women don't have much luck because you have solutions for them, but men have better results. But at least with hair transplant for women, now we are seeing that women can have thicker hair, but all depends on their initial case.
Yes, absolutely.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Welcome.